Now, what if we want to reduce the cage length, the height, so that the bulb fits better? Let's start by going back to our original sketch. I'll come back to the sweep command, identify the arc, green check mark, then our circle, and let's look at our options again here. And for scale, we'll leave it at 1 down to 0.2. Let's change the number of turns from 0.5 to 1. See, that squeezes that up considerably. So now if I come back to the sweep, pattern, circular, and let's spin that around the z-axis. I'm going to change it to 14. One reason I'd prefer even numbers, if I change the color of every second one, it comes out even. But if it's an odd number, then you've got two the same color next to each other. Now if I look at this from the front view, you see that's squashed down considerably. And I'll go and drop the light bulb in and see what that looks like. Now in this example, it looks like I don't have quite enough room. I've squashed this down too far. So maybe I need to look at something in between. So let's go back to our sweep command, identify our arc and circle, come back to the same scale, 1 down to 0.2, and this time for the number of turns, let's go with 0.7. So initially we used 0.5, then we went to 1, and now we're going to try 0.7. And I'll identify my sweep, come back to circular pattern around the z-axis, and this time I'll put in 12 just to mix things up a little so it's not quite as heavy. And we'll look at that from the front view, and then I'll go and add the light bulb. And now you can see in this example the light bulb has a lot more room to move. So it's just a matter of adjusting some parameters to figure out what looks best for you. And again, the last thing you may want to do is come back and just lock to the YZ plane and come down and add a circle somewhere or any shape just along the bottom here. And maybe this is a little too big, but just run with that and do a revolve around the z-axis and close it off at 360.